going on YouTube, and welcome back to another vlog. And today is a public holiday, long weekend. We are down at a place that is very close to our home. It's very hidden. It is known as Sturt Gorge. It's the first time I've done a vlog on this channel at Sturt Gorge. I'm going to take you to a couple of locations that we enjoy. Would have loved to have got the drone out, but I've just noticed the sign says that no drones are allowed here, of course. So I'm going to try and get some really nice shots regardless, with or without the drone. So stay tuned. So our first stop today is going down a very steep path. Looks over the gorge. I'm hoping there's water down the bottom. There should be with the recent rainfall. Yeah, cool little spot that we found last time that we were here a couple of years ago. So we're heading down there first and showing you all the pretty stuff that's here. So we're at our first stop, which is sort of like a little ledge that sort of overlooks the gorge. Very pretty. We've been down here before. Perfect place for a little romantic picnic, if you will, but not today. Yeah, one of the prettiest parts, I think, of Sturt Gorge that I've seen, but it's just the long haul back up a vertical cliff face, pretty much. We've reached the top. So it's called the Pariana track, if anyone wants to take it. It is very beautiful down there, but you need to be a bit fit, just a tad. On top of the Sturt Gorge Dam, which is quite spectacular down here. Long drop, a lot of water at the moment because of our recent rainfall here, so yeah, really nice. I have put the drone up sneakily here before on my other channel. There is not many people around, but I don't really want to risk it. There's a couple of ways to get here with Sturt Gorge sort of Conservation Park, National Park, whatever it's called. Recreation Park, that's what it is. You can actually access it from Blackwood, which is on the other side of the river, or access it from the Flagstaff hillside, which is a lot easier. It's only about a maybe 200 metre walk, and then you're on the dam. You can't cross the dam. It's sort of got a bit of a, I guess, a cantilever or a sort of a boardwalk that it sort of meets in the middle, and then the middle's inaccessible, but pretty cool. So yeah. Thanks so much for watching this short vlog today, and if you are in Adelaide and looking for something to do, the Sturt Gorge Recreation Park is really worth a look. So see you next time on Just That. Take care. Bye bye.